skincare is actually a struggle. Believe me when I say so. It is not something that is easy. Over the months, I have experienced a whole lot when it comes to life and skincare, and that is the reason why I have decided to share with you skincare ingredients to avoid for sensitive acne prone skin. With that being said, if you want to go with me in this journey, let's talk about these 6 ingredients that you should definitely avoid if you're somebody like me who breaks out, or you just see pimples, they come and they go, or they come and they stay, and it's a struggle. Sweetheart, sit back, relax, grab yourself a cup of juice or of water and sit back, relax. Let's dive right into this matter. Let's talk about it. The number 1 skincare ingredient or ingredient you should avoid when it comes to somebody that has a sensitive skin, not just a sensitive skin, an acne prone sensitive skin. Fragrance is just it. It is used to mask the smell in skincare products. But what does it do? It sensitizes your skin. It could make you break out, but most times we cannot avoid it. That is why it is good to read the labels of your skincare products so that you don't fall victim of this. Whether you're buying a bar soap, a body lotion, whatever it is, make sure that you go through the ingredients list. If you're very sensitive and acne prone, if your skin is very sensitive and acne prone, sweetheart, my kind suggestion is to avoid products with fragrance. Second ingredient to avoid is chemical sunscreens. I'm not trying to say that they don't do their work when it comes to protecting your skin from sunburn and all that. But however, if your skin is very sensitive, there's certain chemical sunscreens that may not work for you. Maybe some may work for you, or if you're already sensitive and also you're using a chemical sunscreen, I'm not trying to say you should stop. But if you notice things like acne, pimples, or on the other hand, you're very sensitive, irritation, redness, and you're using a chemical sunscreen, my love, this is something I want to tell you. Think twice and reconsider. They contain UV filters, certain UV filters or certain ingredients, oxybenzone and the rest of the benzone family that could trigger sensitivity and in return burn and darken your skin and also cause pimples in return. So for sensitive acne prone, chemical sunscreen is not something you should dive into. Do more research on physical sunscreens. Physical sunscreens are better off. Okay, now the third ingredient you should definitely avoid or be skeptical about is retinoids. Yes, I said so, retinoids. A lot of people are big fans of retinoids because they help in anti-aging effect or anti-aging effect, rejuvenating, helping boost collagen, whatever. And yes, they are good, but not all retinoids, especially for sensitive acne prone skin. So if you have a sensitive acne prone skin, this product could actually do more harm than good. That's why you see certain people who try out different retinol products and you see their skin purging, breaking out badly. Yes, even though they say it gets better before it gets worse before it gets better with retinoids, that is also another thing to think about. Retinaldehyde is a milder form, so instead of doing retinoids, I would rather do retinaldehyde. They are milder, gentler, and they still deliver the same results, but they are not as quick. They are not as harsh to sensitive acne prone skin. Consider doing retinaldehyde instead of retinoids. Okay. The fourth ingredient on the list you should avoid or think twice before using is benzyl peroxide. Yes, the holy grail for acne, followed by salicylic acid. Those are like the mommy, daddy, or uncle, sister, or uncle, auntie family products for acne. When I mean family products, benzyl is like the uncle, salicylic is like the auntie or mommy, daddy. They all do the same thing. They target acne. Now, when it comes to sensitive acne prone skin, you do not need benzyl peroxide because it could trigger more irritation and then make you purge, make you have pimples all over your face, acne. Yes, but there is an exception. When you happen to use lower percentages of benzyl peroxide, you may be very lucky you won't experience those things. But if you're on the high percentage or high doses of benzyl peroxide and you're just doing them, it may not help with your acne, rather it may make it worse. So instead of going for benzyl peroxide, if you're super sensitive and also on acne prone skin, why not do azelaic acid? Now, I will be trying out azelaic acid very soon here on my channel, so I'll be reviewing it, I'll be talking about it. I'll be starting a series real soon where I'm going to be talking about skincare ingredients one by one, what they do, so you'll be skin informed or skin science informed. Okay, fifth ingredient to avoid if you're an sensitive acne prone skin is isoprene myristate. I love isoprene myristate, believe me. I love the fact because it helps in the faster absorption of our skincare ingredients, body lotion and all that. When it's used too much, it may irritate your skin. So you should definitely consider that and be very observant while using products with isoprene myristate. I'm not trying to say it's not good, it's an emollient, but if you use it too much, it could do more harm than good. Okay? Skincare is ever evolving, and as everything evolves, we learn and we try to be more considerate when it comes to making informed decisions for our skincare. So number 6 on the list are alcohols. Well, disclaimer, not all alcohols are drying or are bad for the skin, but there are some exceptions which I will talk about. However, I'm going to focus on the ones that you should avoid because that is what this video is about. Number 1 is benzyl alcohol. This could be drying and then cause irritation, and you guys know when your skin is irritated, a whole lot of things starts happening. 2 is denatured alcohol. We should just be careful with that ingredient on there. Skincare products that we love contain denatured alcohol, and if something starts giving you results that you don't like, I always say no matter how bougie, expensive or whatever, discontinue, run for your life, discontinue the product. Okay, the next alcohol you should avoid is methanol. Oh my god, methanol. It's found in a lot of facial cleansers, and a lot of people prefer using those very hot burning cleansers that have a lot of alcohol in them. Using ingredients like this did help solve problems, but at the end of the day, what it's going to do is make your skin sensitive, dries your skin, and then triggers your skin to produce excess oil, which will definitely clog your pores. That's what they do. Bonus tip, I'm going to add the good ones for you on the list. So fatty alcohols or alcohols that are nice are cetyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, and cetyl alcohol. Those are the ones that are fatty, that are helpful. Those are the kind of alcohols you should look for or should pay attention to. However, if I did not pronounce any of them correctly, I'm going to leave their names on the screen or down on the description box for you to check out. Okay? Whew, that was a lot to take in. I think I'm actually very thirsty right now. I'm dehydrated. Have some water. So if you found this video entertaining, educative, or maybe something in between that got you interested, please make sure you subscribe down below, give the video a big fat thumbs up, and comment down below. Share this video. I'll see you in another one. Stay blessed because God loves you. I love you, but He loves you more than I do. And see you next time. Bye.